Gamers get a lot of flack in today's society, but I feel like a lot of that is just not right. Because as gamers, we get good at so many things and we learn a lot from our video games. Now, if you're new to the channel, I just want to say hello. My name is Vincent and I'm an embedded software developer and of course a gamer. Though I don't game as much now as I used to, but I still enjoy video games. And I just want to talk to you about the good things we get from gaming, because I feel like games and gamers get an unreasonable amount of hate. Now, if we play games a lot, especially if we play online games with our friends, we tend to get very good at teamwork and communication. Like if you're trying to complete a raid or one of those tasks in video games with your friends. It's not enough if just one person is good at the game. You all need to get good at the game and then work together to complete the task. And that's another thing that gamers get really good at. It's not like we'll only attempt to defeat that boss once or twice. We'll keep going at it until we've completed it, until the mission is done and the boss has been defeated. And so as gamers, we develop this persistence and we're less likely to give up than other people. Also, as gamers, we develop a very useful and meaningful curiosity about how the game works. Like if you're getting into speed running or mods and such. I remember back when I was in my teens and I was quite into Minecraft, and I wasn't only playing the game, I was also making mods for it myself. And so that taught me a lot about computer programming and also gave me confidence that I can make things myself. So I think the curiosity we develop about games just comes from a natural desire to understand the system, and it's almost like the curiosity of an engineer in a sense. And that leads me on to the point I want to make in this video, is that all these things, teamwork, persistence, not giving up, and curiosity about how things work, these things all makes us into great software developers. Because if you think about it, gaming and computer programming is quite similar. It's all about problem solving, keeping at it until it works, and spending lots of time at the computer. Things that you're already very good at if you're a gamer. So I'd like to encourage you, if you're gaming a lot and you feel like you'd rather do something else, let's say you're playing for 8 or 10 hours per day and you want to swap a little bit of that time for something else, then consider computer programming. And if you're interested in that, I've made a super simple 7-day email challenge linked in the description. Each day you'll swap a gaming session for a small coding task, and by the end of the week you'll have built your own first game in Python. So you might be interested in checking that out, that's linked below. And with today's video, I just want to really make you appreciate the good things we get from video games and how those skills can translate into something else, perhaps a good career or your own mods and such. So don't beat yourself up too much if you play video games, because we learn a lot from it. And consider using those skills to get into software development if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching, and subscribe for more videos about the gaming to coding transition.